After a good time at the Lime Bowling Center where we had fun activities, bowling, and all that games we played the other day, we decided to walk into Maki House. It wasn't planned, but as we strolled around the Red Sea, the Corniche area in Jazan province of Saudi Arabia, we saw this place. I loved the ambience from outside. I just loved the umbrella lights, the bulbs. They looked so good, and the place was looking inviting. So the ambience is good. I decided to, okay, let's have some sushi. My family was happy, my kids were happy, and then the menu had like tons of sushi recipes, like some, like I can't even explain it. The menu had a lot. You'll be confused, especially if you're not the everyday sushi kind of person like me. But yeah, as we are just looking out, I was looking at the recipes to know what exactly to choose, what they're made of. But I was confused, and at the time the chef came and we asked him to, recommend which one for us, and then he recommended the ones we can have a try and said they're good. Okay, we just trusted him, and that's it. So when they brought the sushi, it looked just like what we had right there in the menu. It was not a thing of what I ordered versus what I got. So it was like perfect what I ordered and what I got. So the picture of the sushi was just right, and the sushi looked beautiful. So right now they're getting us set, getting the table set with this paper table mat, and then yeah, the sushi came with the spoons and the fork and then the chopsticks as well. If there's anything I noticed is that the sushi is beautiful, but then their chopsticks were so glued together we couldn't make use of the chopsticks as well, but we enjoyed everything here. And then we allowed the chef explain to us what is here, as at the time of this voiceover I can't remember any of the sushi names. All I knew is that the sushi was good, recommended by the chef. It had pineapple and mango, crab and all that. There was ginger, and yeah. Okay, tell us what we have.
Sushi is Maki.
Okay.
Inside crab and cucumber and avocado. Okay.
Okay.
This crunchy candy roll.
Okay.
Inside mango and crab. Of this crab.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
What is this?
This
one? Yeah.
ginger.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Which one is ginger?
This one.
Okay. So what's the name of this again? Tell me.
This California Maki. Okay. And this crunchy candy roll.
Okay, crunchy candy roll.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, chef.
What's the sauce made of?
This soya sauce.
Soy sauce.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Soy sauce. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Thank you, chef.
Welcome.
All right.
Yeah, what is everything tasted good. We thanked the chef for his explanation and being kind. The drinks came. We had the orange juice for the kids. My husband and I settled for the lemon and the mint drink. Everything tasted good. The drinks were good. But then the chopsticks, like I said, were so glued together that we had to use fork to eat this. So yeah, but the sushi, guys, before you could say whack, it was gone. And then for this first trial, before I stopped filming, the sushi was so good. But the oyster sauce, yeah, I didn't really enjoy the oyster sauce because it was a bit salty. It was salty for me. It had this salty taste for me, so I didn't like this. But yeah, overall you can see my child is smiling over there. Yeah, drink gone, sushi gone. We need some more, guys. But yeah, that's our day at Maki House around the Corniche area where you find the Red Sea in Jazan. I hope you enjoyed this restaurant's review. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned and stay blessed.